juga masih sedikit sekali adanya program wajib militer atau barak militer sendiri di Indonesia.
Their own instancy or the government, but the one who poses this is probably the academicians, like the someone who works outside of the government, and especially the Indonesian citizen itself. They really oppose this.
The government and the school itself. And actually, the most hard one is the
17 to like 25 or something, maybe.
Okay, what is considered a major social issue? Judo is major social issue. Why?
Because judo makes us, makes someone doesn't have money and then they're doing something criminal.
Opinion is yes, maybe. So the government must be honest to the public. If they didn't honest the public,